you love yarn as much as I do, then you're in for a treat today. I have got a yarn haul to show you. There's 3 different places I got this yarn from. So sit back, relax, and let me show you the beautiful yarn that I got. We have Paintbox Simply Chunky. This is Seafoam Blue. Seafoam Blue? Seafoam Blue, and I got it because it's such a beautiful colour. I couldn't resist. This yarn is my go-to for anything like blankets or cushion covers, bags. I love chunky yarn because it whips up quicker than DK or any worsted weight yarn. So yeah, absolutely love this. I got this from Hobbycraft. All the Paintbox yarns here I got from Hobbycraft. So that's the Seafoam Blue colour. Next up we have Pistachio Green. How pretty is that? It's just gorgeous. Look. It's so pretty. It's really nice earthy tone and it's nice and muted. This next colour I'm really excited about. It's Pale Lilac. It is another Simply Chunky classic, but I love Paintbox because they do so many different colours, and not just bright colours, but also they do nice pastels and muted colours and every single colour you could think of. That's probably why they're called Paintbox, but yeah, very good. And what a beautiful colour this is. My girls would absolutely love anything in this colour, and so would I. This next one's a bit of a wild card for me because it's a little bright. It's Ballet Pink from Paintbox again, Simply Chunky. It's really difficult shopping online to know what each colour's going to come out as. I actually didn't think it was as bright as this, so that's another thing that you've got to be wary of when you're shopping online. If you are looking at Paintbox yarns, Ballet Pink is actually kind of almost neon-y bright. They do a baby pink, but they don't actually do like a dusky pink or anything like that. So Paintbox, I would love you to do some sort of dusky pink, but this is really cute as well. I will make something for my girls with this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, next up we have Oatmeal or Vanilla. Beautiful colour. I absolutely love this. I love all, as you can see, like where all my yarns are. I love anything neutral, so I'm a big fan of this one. Simply Chunky, and it's just so versatile. Like you could use it for anything and it will just look beautiful. Love that one. Right, that's all the Paintbox done. Really, really nice. Next up we have Hobbycraft Tiny Friends. This is new from Hobbycraft. These are 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. This is the yellow one. I actually used this for a sunflower that I made. I used with this brown yarn. They are really, really nice and soft, lovely to use, and I would highly recommend them. And they're only £1 each. I actually have more colours to show you. This is a beautiful cinnamony type colour. Really, really nice. Love that one. 25 grams, and they are just like Rico Rumi from Rico. So if you're doing any amigurumi projects, then these would be the ones to look for. What a beautiful pink. And then I've got a white as well. Beautiful, only £1 each, and Tiny Friends, so I think they're probably geared towards making your own tiny friends. Last, but by no means least, is this beautiful yarn from Hobbii. It's Alpaca Blaze. This is the white one, and it is so gorgeous. I don't even know how to explain it. It's so soft, so lovely, and it is without a doubt the best yarn in this haul for me. It is gorgeous, and I also got, this is actually for a top that I'm going to crochet. Look at this, oh my gosh. And then I got an orange one. This is the ginger one, ginger. This colour is called Mist, this bluey one. And then this is ginger. Then we have nougat, nice brownie colour. I got all these to make a top with, which I will link in the description box because I'm going to be doing a how-to video on how to crochet that, and I'm really excited. So I'm really excited for that. So yeah, these are by far my favourites. I just think it's because of the texture. They're just so pretty. That concludes my yarn haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I think my favourite has to be, I love the Pistachio Green, this one, and I love all of the alpaca ones, but I love this colour as well. It's really pretty. Let me know in the comments what your favourite one is, and if you like this video, you're going to absolutely love this video. I'll see you there.